What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fishing GrubbZ. It's early, just about 5, first light. Going out with Joey today. We're looking for striped biggity bass. We don't have a lot of time today, so I'm not promising anything. This might not even be a damn video, but if you're seeing this, obviously we caught some fish. I got 6 eels. We've never used eels for stripers. At least I've never used them. I don't know if Joey probably has at some point or another. And who knows? I don't know what he has planned for today. But we're gonna go out and we're gonna see if we can't get a couple of our little striped friends. Let's see what we can do here. You know, I got no promises. But I'm pretty excited. We're gonna leave the big camera here. I've been having issues with the big camera when it's moist out, and today it might rain off and on while we're out there. So I'm just gonna play it safe, leave the big camera in the car, and that's it. And there's Joey. Let's do this. Oh, what was that? Very small. How did I not get hit? How am I not getting hit? Come on. Small. Maybe even a bluefish. No, it's schoolie. Awesome. No skunk today. Slow down, child. Whew. Awesome. Later, bud. Are these guys going for bass too?
I guess so.
Could have fooled me. Oh, I got him. Well, that's a lot better fish. A lot better than my last one. A little bit. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, just it's pulling.
Look at the drag. It's too loose. Oh, you're stuck. You stuck?
No.
Oh.
It's a good fish, Joey.
Oh, okay.
It's pulling.
Oh, okay. I was like, the drag is spinning. You sure he's not getting anything?
Yeah, it's going,
Okay.
You see that?
Yeah.
Like, this is a good fish. It started peeling drag as soon as I set the hook.
All right.
This is not the fish.
Give him room here.
Here.
Go the other way, Nene. The other way? It's on that side. Reel it in.
This is a heavy fish for this fucking rod.
Maybe he's silent.
See that? Pull. Definitely a fish. Whew. Not the fish I thought we were gonna catch today.
Maybe he's silent.
I don't know, dude. There it is. That's a good fish, Joey. Nice, Nina.
Oh, Jesus.
What do you say, Joey? Are you stuck?
I didn't believe you.
Dina's on a good one too.
What the hell's
Hell yeah, dude. Todd, you're stuck.
I can see the drag.
Oh my God.
I'm like, what the heck? Nina, take a step to the right, left. Hurry, Nina. Yeah, there you go, right there. What are you doing? I was like, just reel it in.
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
That's a slot that you can take it from my home. Flip the tail to me. There you go.
Yeah.
Let's try to get a double photo. Hurry.
Yeah, hurry, come on.
I can't believe that fish.
On a Cocahoe Minnow.
Nina's on.
Yeah.
There he is. Oh, no.
The amount of good fish caught on that silly little minnow. Doubles up with Nina. So dope. Nope.
Let's watch the hooks,
dude. This Joey, it's over the slot.
Oh, man.
I got it, Nina.
Double, triple hooks.
Here, get the pliers. I'm gonna revive this fish.
I'll keep an eye on the boat. Poor guy. Maybe this guy's a slot.
I'll check him.
He really did.
I'm like, no, Joey, that's a
really
fish, I
skeptical.
swear. Oh no, one of the hooks just popped off.
It's okay. Sideways. Don't worry about the hook.
Jesus. Bad leverage. I'm gonna get this one first. Dude, he bent this thing to shit.
Oh, good.
Want to get a double photo?
Yep. Nina, that is 28 and a half.
Yeah, we can just throw it in the well, or in the floor on the starboard side.
Yep.
Oh, you taking pictures?
Yeah, double.
Okay.
Double up.
Alright, we'll take this guy. Revive that guy.
On a freaking Cocahoe.
Revive him.
On a Cocahoe Minnow. Still can't believe it, guys. It's a nice bass for a Cocahoe. Really, really nice, guys. 36.5 inch over the slot. That's a commercial fish right there. That's a great fish. You ready, Mama? See ya. Woo! Nice, Nina. 12 o'clock, Nina. I'm in, Joey. It's not as big. It's a giant.
Oh, 1 o'clock.
They're everywhere. 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 I don't even know where to cast. Right at the boat. Better one. Oh. Decent. No. This is so much fun. Later, bud. $55 freaking degrees out today. I'm wearing all the layers and I'm super comfortable. 2 days ago it was 90. Wild. It's wild.
I was like, I didn't reset it, the tide just hooked up.
Probably hooked into a rock, Joey.
That's a good one too.
Yeah.
Not like the other one, but
No, decent though. Slippery. Yeah. Nice. Another decent schoolie. We are having a blasty blast out here today. I love the Cocahoe. Love this thing. Oh, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. No, I was over there. That was so cool. I wonder if that got caught on film. That's an old squeaker. Oh, is that right in front of us? Oh! He put slack in the line so fast. Come here, you little turd. Get over here. Hey, this is fun. Alright, another little bud. Thanks, pal. Definitely wasn't expecting a 36-inch bass on a Cocahoe Minnow. That's my biggest on a Cocahoe. You're definitely stuck.
There you go.
Listen, if you chill out, you'll go back in the water. Awesome. Thanks for coming up, little buddy. You got one, Nina? Yeah, swinger. God, they're so much fun.
Actually, I think now we're 65.
Time to go swimming.
We were,
All right, guys, so we had some fun with the schoolies, and obviously that one that we did not expect on the Cocahoe Minnow. Now we're gonna drift with some eels, so let's see if we can't catch one big bass today, maybe two. That'd be cool. What side? Port?
no, but if people are gonna be out. Yeah, I just put it there, yeah.
Port?
Yeah.
Well, guys, it was short and sweet, but we had a blast. Nina and I had that nice double up. We got a 36.5-inch bass on a gosh darn Cocahoe Minnow. Still can't believe that. Huge thanks to Joey for taking us out. We had fun today. Guys, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell as well. We're dropping videos every single weekday. Catch you tomorrow. Fish on.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithm. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. This that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday. Turn a blue day to a bright hue, yellow with a smooth A in hair. Extra fruit, the brand. You can't move me, the music is man. It's a con job, but fuck it, it's grand.